Hi there, welcome to the first video in my video series on the 7 deadly sins of manufacturing. So what do I mean by the 7 deadly sins? Well, really what these are pervasive beliefs that hold manufacturers back from fulfilling their full potential. And deadly sin number 1 is the cost-focused mentality. So this is really where we have this obsession with cost cutting and cost accounting. And this leads to 3 major problems that I see often. If you don't fully understand the cause and effect of what dictates the performance of your business, then how can you be sure when you're cutting costs whether you're cutting fat or whether you're cutting muscle? So that's really the first issue. The second issue is that when you're focused on costs, there's obviously a limited effect. Many manufacturers have been really great at managing their costs over the years because it's something that commonly as manufacturing people we're very focused on. So really the question I would ask you is, what are the likely results of your efforts? And actually, how far can you cut costs? And the reality is limited by a big round number called 0. And finally is the idea of how much did that saving actually cost you? But very often we make decisions, particularly based on cost accounting, such as the make-buy decision. I very often come across companies who are actually subcontracting out components that they have the capacity to make in-house, under the false belief that it's actually cheaper to subcontract it out because they've allocated overheads which they're going to have to pay anyway to the cost of the part when they're looking at the cost in-house. So that was deadly sin number 1, the cost-focused mentality. Join me on my next video for deadly sin number 2, which is the belief that the sooner I start, the sooner I finish.